Alleged computer hacking, an infamous sex offender, and a barred judge. We confirmed Judge Catherine Schrader was rescued from any cases prosecuted by the Gwinnett District Attorney's Office for the next 2 months after she accused a DA of hacking her county computer. DA Danny Porter denies hacking the judge's computer. And she doesn't accuse him of this, but court documents show that she hired a private investigator to look into it. That investigator contacted Ed Kramer to see what he could find. You may know Kramer as the Dragon Con co-founder who was later convicted of child molestation. He was facing new accusations of taking a photo of a child when the hacking investigation came to light and his computers were seized.